Hey and welcome to this tutorial. Today it will be a really quick one and simple. We'll be creating the style.css for all our website styles to be kept in. If you didn't already link your style sheet to your website, then go to our channel and click on the last video. It's all about setting up the head element, and in it is where we link the style sheet we're about to create to the page. Once you have linked them, go to the folder in FileZilla, your FTP software, where all the website files are kept. For me it's public_HTML. Sometimes it might be www or something similar. Right click and select Create Directory. Once in the naming box has popped up, type CSS, all lowercase. Enter the directory and right click again. This time select Create New File. Name the file style.css, again all lowercase. This is the root to the document which we typed into our head element last time. To make sure it's working correctly, open the file that we just created and type star open curly bracket background dash color colon red semicolon close curly bracket, or just copy what is on the screen now. Save the file and upload it to your website. Then go to your domain. If done correctly, the background color should be a bright red. Congrats! You completed the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.